Hi, first grade friends. Welcome to Monday, August 31st, 2020. We're here for Phonics with Mrs. Bernstein. Today was our very first phonics lesson online. So welcome to all my first graders. It's so good to see you. Hopefully you're able to join us for a live lesson soon. The first thing I want to talk about is the Ram's way or the Ram's plan. Remember that when we're online, we definitely want to still use our respect. It looks a little bit different on the computer. We want to use our kind words and kind faces. We want to take turns. We can raise our hand or we can give a thumbs up. We also need to be able to turn our mic on and off. And we also want to wear clothes for school. We want to be ready to learn when it's time to get going. Today, we worked on some rhyming words to start off with, and we read through the rhyming words that come from the book, A Frog in the Bog. With your family, read through the words. We're going to read through them together. First, we start off with frog, bog. Those two words rhyme because they have the same ending, O-G, og, frog, bog. Our next two, frog, log. We can see that they have the same ending. We can break the words apart. Watch. T, ick, st, ick. Stick, trick, tick, and stick rhyme. We can keep going. Gl, ugs. Sl, ugs. Glugs, slugs, they rhyme. Snails, tails. Claws, jaws. Claws, jaws. They rhyme. And our last two, wide, sl-eyed. Wide slide, they have the same sound at the end. Now, with your family, please pause this video and watch the story, A Frog in the Bog. It's a great story. We read that story together today. Well, welcome back. I hope that everybody enjoyed listening to one of my very favorite books. Now we're going to practice some letter sounds. You can click on this link, Animal Alphabet Move and Groove. You've been sitting for a little while, so I would love for you to get up and practice your letter sounds. Stop the video and click on the link, Animal Alphabet Move and Groove. And once you're done, come back and we're going to keep practicing. Welcome back. I'm so glad you're back with me. I hope you enjoyed getting up and moving. We're going to practice some letter sounds now. We're going to say the letter and then the sound. And if you know your hand shape, I'd love to see those too. We're going to do just a few, and then we'll practice some more tomorrow. Our first letter, this is the letter L. What letter? L. L says, oh. This is the letter I. What letter? I. The sound is I. This is the letter H. What letter? H. H says, this is the letter E. What letter? E. E says, eh. This is the letter J. What letter? J. J says, J. This is the letter O. What letter? O. O says, ah. This is the letter S. S says, S. What letter? S. S says, S. This is the letter U. What letter? U. U says, This one's a tricky one. Hold this one nice and soft in your throat. Don't say it too loud. This is the letter R. What letter? R. The sound is R. This is the letter A. What letter? A. The sound is ah. This is the letter K. What letter? K. K says K. This is the letter F. What letter? F. F says F. This is a tricky one. Let's see if we remember it from last year. CH. CH says ch. Last one for today. This is QU. What letters? QU. Remember, Q and U always go together. The sound is qu. Nice work, friends. If you need to review those sounds again, you can rewatch this portion of the video. Let's move on. Do you remember how to write your alphabet letters? Well, you need to get out your composition notebook and your pencil, because in your notebook, you're going to write the capital letters and the lowercase letters. You want to use your very best handwriting. In first grade, handwriting and being able to write fluently is very important. Here's an example of our capital letters. You can see that I used my spacing. I started all of my letters at the top, and I ended them at the bottom line. None of them are dropping below, and none of them are starting above. You can see that I have nice spaces between my letters. I want you to stop the video, and I want you to get out your paper and your pencil, and I want you to write all of your letters using your very best handwriting. You can look at my example to help you. Stop the video now and write your letters. Now that you've come back, you've written your capital letters. Now I want you to write your lowercase letters. So turn the page in your notebook, or on the bottom or on the back, wherever you have a spot. I want you to write your lowercase letters. Notice the lowercase letters. They are smaller than the capital letters. Some of them drop below the line, like the J and the P and the Q and the Y. Those all drop below that bottom line. Some of them start at the dotted line. Make sure we always start our letters at the top, not at the bottom, please. Stop this video and write your lowercase letters. You need to bring those lowercase letters and those capital letters with you back to our virtual learning next time. We will be eventually taking pictures and sharing our writing with others and myself. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Make sure you write your capital and lowercase letters. Stop the video here.